Welcome to watch my small videos about Excel's advanced features. This one is about web query and data stocks and currencies feature, which is quite new in Excel. Both features are used to get information from websites to Excel. I will start with the data web query feature. I would like to link the currency rates from Finland's Bank of Finland, to this Excel sheet, so that then when they change in the Bank of Finland, they will also change automatically here in Excel. I will first start a browser and then go to this page, which address is found here. It is easy to find it with Google or Bing or whatever system. And then I have changed the language to English. Then I will copy the address from here. The table I'm interested in is actually here. This is the one I will see in Excel after a while. First I copy the address, then I go back to Excel, and then I select data from web and paste the address here. Then I have two options. This table 0 is actually the one I need. On the right-hand side, you will see the currency rates. Then I check here, load to. Then it will ask in which format. Table is fine. And where, existing worksheet, starting from A1, that's okay. Here they are. Now, when these values change in the Bank of Finland side, that will happen sometime today. These are from Friday, as you see. And then when I update this, it will change. Here, I will change. I will go to data and refresh or refresh all. Refresh, we'll go to Bank of Finland site and check if they have changed, but they have not now. But anyway, it's linked there now. And everything that happens on this Bank of Finland site will also happen here. That's one way to get the currencies. Then there is another way. I will put it here. I'll enter something here, such as currency and rate. In this case, I have to use currency pairs, such as USD, Euro compared to SEK, that is Swedish krona. Then, for example, Euro compared to British pound. I will change this to a table. It will help when I don't have to copy the formulas. Insert table. My table has headers, yes. And so I will change this to a currency data type. I go to data, currencies. In some cases in Excel, you won't see this currencies option here. I don't know why. But anyway, if you don't have this, you can also use the stocks option for currencies, and it will work. This time I will use the currencies feature because it is available. Now it put this kind of house or whatever it is, and that means that the data type has been changed. And now I can get the rate here. I will refer to this, and then I can select an option, this in this case price, sorry, and now there is the result. They are the currency rates which are taken not from the same place, not from the Bank of Finland, I guess. I think they may have some difference. Let's see some examples. Swedish krona, it's little difference here compared to this. USD, yeah, there are little difference. I don't exactly know where this information comes from for the currencies in this case. The same kind of system can also be used for stocks. I will enter here stock and price. Then I can use either tickers or the names of the companies. It will recognize all of them, and I will put some common tickers here. For example, Apple, Microsoft. Then I take some Swedish one, Volvo, Kone, it's a Finnish one. That's enough, I guess. And then I will change this to table again. Insert table. Then I select all these companies and use that same data. Stocks, not currencies this time, but stocks. It seems to recognize all of these stocks. There may be some small companies that are not recognized, and then I have to help it a little, but I put this one first. Same kind of formula, equal to this, and then price. There they are. I would try one company which I know it will not recognize. It's a small company in the Finnish First North list, titanium. It finds some kind of titanium, but this is not the right one. I can change it to the right one. I press the right button here, and then I select data type and change. I have to take this extra information away and then try to search only by titanium. And here it is, titanium OYJ. That is the company I'm looking for. I select and then I get the rate. There is much other information too, which you can get by this stocks feature. This is the PE feature. It's actually the last 12 months price to earnings ratio, and there are lots of other things too. But this will be enough for this time. When I select data refresh all, it will refresh everything. It will refresh this web query, and it will also refresh these items here. So that's how it works. It's a great system, easy way to get stock prices, currency rates, etc. into Excel and have them automatically updated whenever they change. Thanks for watching, and I will put some more after a while. Bye.